Breaking news coming in. India Today has accessed the FIR copy in Jammu drone strike case. The FIR says the drone blast is a well-planned conspiracy. The FIR registered under Section 16 and 18 of the UAPA. We've gone ahead and exclusively accessed this FIR copy. This is on the back of the drone strike that have taken place, the drone strikes in Jammu. The FIR goes ahead to reveal, to report that the drone blast is a well-planned conspiracy and FIR registered under Section 16 and 18 of the UAPA. Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins us for the very latest. Kamaljeet, walk our viewers through the copy of the FIR that has been exclusively accessed by you.
Well, it's a three-page FIR and it is being filed by an Air Force personnel, and it says that this is a well-planned conspiracy to threaten and challenge the internal security, the national grid. This is what the FIR really says. And it says that around 1:37, the first blast took place, and in another 6 minutes is another blast which took place, and saying that the nature of the blast needs to be investigated. So it talks about the conspiracy, a sabotage, about how this is a well-planned conspiracy to attack the Air Force station and to challenge the national security of the country by targeting a military installation like the Air Force station. This obviously states the fact, one, that this is a big challenge for Air Force Station, that low-flying drones, and it mentions it's the first of its kind attack which has taken place, the nature of the blast which needs to be investigated. The other part is about how low-flying drones which cannot be detected by radars being used. The theories being worked on by JKP and the other agencies are, one, whether they came in from across the border, which is 14 kilometers away as the crow flies, or for that matter, was reassembled in Jammu city and targeted from there. So multiple agencies working on it. The other part is whether Home Ministry is going to take cognizance, because the NIA has associated itself with the case, but is not the lead investigating agency. JKP sources say they're working on main leads and could have some concrete results in the next 48 hours. Meanwhile, the FSL report is also awaited, and they have told us that they suspect the RDX to be used. Now, this is a high-grade explosive along with sharpeners which was used. If you see the floor on...
Okay, let's re-establish that connection right there to Kamaljeet, who's accessed the copy of the FIR and is walking our viewers through the main highlights of the FIR as well. We'll go back to her for more on this. But